The carry-on luggage market is flooded with overpriced junk that falls apart after 3 trips, and cheap knockoffs that look good online but arrive broken. After testing dozens of carry-ons through hundreds of flights, airport baggage handler abuse, and real-world travel chaos, we've identified the 5 that actually deliver on their promises. We're talking luggage that survived being thrown down airport conveyor belts, rolled over cobblestone streets for miles, stuffed into overhead bins on budget airlines, and endured the kind of punishment that destroys lesser bags within months. Today, we're revealing the 5 best carry-on bags of 2025 that are genuinely worth your money. Number 5. Monos Carry-On Pro. The Monos Carry-On Pro delivers premium materials and thoughtful design at $295, positioning itself as affordable luxury that actually justifies the pricing through quality. This Canadian-designed luggage features aerospace-grade polycarbonate shell, providing exceptional impact resistance while keeping weight manageable at just 7.5 pounds for easy maneuvering. The Japanese Hinomoto wheels roll incredibly smoothly across various surfaces from airport tile to rough pavement, maintaining performance after extensive use and abuse. The aircraft-grade aluminum telescoping handle extends smoothly and locks securely at multiple heights, accommodating different traveler heights comfortably throughout journeys. The interior compression system with antimicrobial lining keeps clothes organized while the mesh divider prevents items from shifting during travel and handling. What makes this worth the investment is the lifetime warranty covering manufacturing defects and the excellent customer service that actually honors warranty claims promptly. The vegan leather details add sophisticated aesthetics without the ethical concerns or high maintenance that genuine leather requires throughout ownership and use. The TSA-approved combination lock integrates cleanly into the design rather than looking like cheap afterthought that plagues budget luggage consistently throughout markets. The variety of sophisticated colors including sage, slate, and terracotta creates options beyond basic black appealing to style-conscious travelers wanting personalization. Number 4. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On Spinner. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On Spinner at $280 represents what professional pilots and flight attendants actually use daily, proving its reliability through constant airline travel. This professional-grade luggage features ballistic nylon exterior, providing exceptional durability and lighter weight compared to hard-shell alternatives while maintaining protective capabilities. The patented PowerScope handle with integrated USB port and built-in accessory pocket provides convenient charging and storage that frequent travelers genuinely appreciate throughout trips. The MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels roll effortlessly in any direction and self-align, reducing the wobbling that cheaper spinners develop after minimal use. The water-resistant coating protects contents during rain and spills that inevitably occur during travel, and the material cleans easily, maintaining professional appearance throughout ownership. What makes this actually worth it is the lifetime warranty with dedicated customer service team that flight attendants trust, proving the company stands behind products. The exterior pockets with water-resistant zippers provide quick access to essentials without opening main compartment during security checks and layovers, saving time consistently. The adjustable interior divider system and multiple compression straps keep contents organized during turbulent flights and rough handling throughout airport transit and connections. The contoured top and side carry handles with genuine leather wrapping provide comfortable grip during lifting and maneuvering through crowded airports constantly. The expandable design adds 2 inches of packing capacity when needed for return trips with souvenirs and purchases without exceeding carry-on dimensions. Number 3. Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Carry-On. The Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Carry-On at $599 commands premium pricing, but delivers unmatched warranty and innovative features that justify the investment for frequent travelers. This American-made luggage features ballistic nylon construction with innovative CX compression expansion system, allowing up to 34% more packing capacity while maintaining carry-on compliance perfectly. The patented outsider handle design places telescoping handle mechanism on exterior, maximizing interior packing space that traditional interior handle designs sacrifice unnecessarily throughout construction. The speed-through pocket allows laptops to remain in bag during TSA screening, saving time and hassle during security checkpoints throughout airports constantly. What makes this genuinely worth the premium pricing is the simple as that lifetime guarantee covering all damage including airline damage, which other manufacturers exclude. Real Travelers report the company actually honors the lifetime warranty promptly, repairing or replacing damaged luggage without questions or hassles that other warranties impose. The self-repairing YKK zippers rarely fail, but when they do, the lifetime warranty covers replacement, ensuring luggage remains functional throughout unlimited ownership periods. The 4 spinner wheels with sealed bearings roll smoothly and quietly across all surfaces, maintaining performance after years of constant travel and airport abuse. The proprietary trifold garment sleeve keeps suits and dresses wrinkle-free during travel without requiring separate garment bag, adding convenience for business travelers constantly. Number 2. Away, the bigger carry-on. The Away. The bigger carry-on at $295 maximizes carry-on dimensions perfectly, while maintaining lightweight construction and incorporating charging capabilities travelers genuinely use throughout trips. This direct-to-consumer luggage features durable polycarbonate shell in multiple color options, creating personalization beyond basic black that traditional luggage brands limit unnecessarily. The 360-degree spinner wheels with Japanese bearings roll incredibly smoothly and maintain performance after extensive travel, unlike cheap wheels that develop wobbles quickly. The ejectable 10,000 mAh battery provides emergency phone charging during delays and layovers, and the removable design allows complying with airline battery regulations easily. The interior compression system with built-in laundry bag keeps dirty clothes separated from clean items, maintaining organization throughout multi-day trips and extended journeys. What makes this worth it beyond competitors is the 100-day trial period, allowing real-world testing during actual trips before committing to keeping the luggage. The lifetime warranty on wheels, handles, and shell covers manufacturing defects, while the active customer service team actually responds promptly to issues and concerns. The TSA-approved combination lock integrates seamlessly into design rather than protruding awkwardly like aftermarket locks that damage luggage exteriors over time. The interior sleeve fits 15-inch laptops securely, while additional pockets organize chargers, documents, and accessories, preventing items from shifting during travel constantly. Number 1. Rimowa Original Cabin. The Rimowa Original Cabin at $1,350 represents the absolute pinnacle of carry-on luggage that justifies premium pricing through unmatched quality, lifetime durability, and iconic design. This legendary German-engineered luggage features distinctive grooved aluminum construction, creating instantly recognizable aesthetics that have graced first-class cabins for decades of aviation history. The aerospace-grade aluminum shell provides exceptional impact resistance, while developing beautiful patina over years of travel, creating unique character that reflects personal journey. The multi-wheel system with sealed ball bearings rolls incredibly smoothly and quietly across all surfaces, maintaining flawless performance after decades of constant travel. What makes this the absolute best, despite shocking pricing, is the 5-year worldwide warranty backed by Rimowa's legendary repair service network spanning major cities globally. Real Travelers report Rimowa actually repairs damaged luggage promptly and professionally, maintaining the investment throughout decades of ownership rather than disposable mentality plaguing cheaper alternatives. The TSA-approved combination lock mechanism is engineered to German precision standards, maintaining smooth operation after thousands of uses, unlike competitors that jam regularly. The aluminum construction is infinitely more durable than polycarbonate alternatives, with many original cabin cases still functioning perfectly after 20-plus years of constant international travel. The investment-grade pricing reflects genuine lifetime durability and timeless design that never goes out of style, making this the last carry-on you'll ever need purchasing.